Here's your E on the B with D. Daniels.
Hey, welcome to E on the B. It is powered by Wade Chicks Chrysler of Culpeper. Check it out, celebrating their Dodge event all month long. The month is almost over, people. Spring into action, get great deals on any new Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram. Check them out online. ChryslerofCulpeper.com, where the shit happens, baby. Okay, listen, it's been a bootylicious week for Beyonce. Let me set the scene for you. So she's in Denmark. She's shaking it up. She's doing her thing. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, she's dancing around the stage, and all of a sudden, a guy on the front row decides he's going to slap her backside. Oh yeah. Listen, let me shut that trunk for you. No, I don't think so. So basically, she flips around and she's like, hey, to the left. And so she makes him leave. So there's that. Really? Don't slap Beyonce in the backside. I mean, come on. You got that whole Jay-Z thing to worry about. Zach Galifianakis, you know him from the Hangover movies. He decided he was going to shave his beard. Can you imagine? Like it? Hate it? Scary to me. And now to another beautiful episode of Dee's Advice Corner. Let's do it! Okay, so in the hot seat, it's Amanda Bynes, and in the co-host chair today, it is the lovely and talented Courtney Love. Piece of advice, when Courtney Love tells you you need to pull it together, you know you're officially a train wreck. That's been another episode of Dee's Advice Corner, brought to you by the group Amanda Bynes Needs Rehab. Get all your entertainment news, B1015.com, keyword E. Mwah!